Hi guys, it's Tracy J. Pierce. Thank you so much for allowing me to share this information with you. Guys, I want to talk to you about discovering the author in you. I just recently wrote my first book, and many people have asked me, is there any way you can help me write my book? And I'm like, yes, I can. I'll be happy to share some information with you. And hopefully after listening to this very short video, it will get you well on your way on your authoring journey. Okay, as the first thing you want to do is you want to be inspired by something. Most authors are inspired by someone, something, some event has inspired them so much that they're able to divulge so much information onto paper. And so that's a good way to get started. And of course, secondly, journaling. I highly recommend journaling. Journaling is a good way to get started because it allows you to keep track of your thoughts, to write down creative thinking, ideas that come across your mind. You can actually revisit those things, and sometimes you're quite surprised at some of the things that you've written in the past. So please embrace the idea of journaling. Journaling is also a very good stress reliever because it allows you to really, speak what's on your heart. Many people write letters to God. I highly recommend that. Gives you a chance to really express what's on your heart and what's on your mind, okay? And you want to then begin to organize your thoughts, begin to put them in an outline or bring some type of organization to this collection of words that you've written, okay? And that will also aid you as you're traveling on this authoring journey as well. Please be sure to put this document in a Word document. Most publishers do prefer that you have your information already set up in a Word document because it makes it easy for you to make changes, move things around, move chapters around, whatever you need to do. If it's already set in a Word document, then it makes this process much more easier. Then after you do that, you want to move on to finding a publisher. Now, finding a publisher can be a challenge, but it is very doable. Now, being an unknown author, you absolutely want to go the self-publishing route because it's very difficult for unknown authors to get a traditional writing contract, but that is possible as well. Now, there are some benefits to self-publishing. You get a chance to see your voice in print, which I think is very exciting. So definitely consider self-publishing. It's also extremely affordable. Hey, I've seen packages as low as $500 to get, your book in print, which I think is very attractive for a new author. It also keeps you from having to have huge amounts of inventory because remember, you're a new author, you don't have a big audience, you don't really know how your sales are going to go. So to keep from being, stuck with a whole lot of inventory and having to worry about how you're going to move so much inventory, then print on demand is a very attractive feature that self-publishing offers. After which you definitely want to set up a website so that you will have a place where people can visit and read little excerpts or snippets about your book to give them some type of idea of what the book is about. That is an excellent way to generate an audience, to generate recognition about the book, to get the word out there. You also want to set up a PayPal account. That PayPal account will handle or manage the dollars that the book generates. People will visit your website, they'll see your book, they'll become interested, hopefully, and they'll make a purchase. Those monies are then deposited into your PayPal account. It's a very simple, very smooth process, and it really does work. Well, guys, with those ideas, you definitely can be well on your way on the authoring journey. Those are some very basic principles. Just follow those few steps. If you have additional questions, please feel free to contact me. I will be more than happy to reach back and help new authors achieve the same achievement. This is my book, Finally I Found My Place. Extremely proud of this book because it has allowed me to tell my story, very personal and private story. And that's okay because I realize that when I tell my story, it has the potential to change someone else's life. So I want to encourage you to do the same thing, okay? Guys, contact me at www.tracyjpierce.com if you have additional questions or if you want to share some information with me, that's okay as well, okay? God bless you, and we'll see you at the top. Thank you.